Here's a pair of the T12 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on these. You want to perform a factory reset if you have issues, maybe you can't get into pairing mode, or issues pairing or connecting, or maybe one side's not working, or maybe it keeps disconnecting and so on. Anyway, a factory reset's very simple, but just listen up. So the first thing I want to note is that I'm currently paired and connected to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. What I want to do is factory reset and then connect back to the same phone, okay? So because I was paired to this phone first, or I was currently paired to it, I need to go to settings. I'm going to go to connections and then Bluetooth. And then you can see pair device, the T12 here. So let me just click on the settings button there, and I'm going to go ahead and unpair this. If you're on an iPhone, it'd be like forget this device. So basically unpair, we're deleting it, okay? So now it's gone. So now we're going to go ahead and factory reset these, okay? So let's go ahead and open the lid up. I'm going to take out the buds, all right? And as soon as I take out the buds, I'm going to tap 4 times on the back right here, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now I hit it 4 times and it just said power off, okay? And as soon as you hear power off, perfect. Now just go ahead and place the earbuds. Go quickly back into the case. Close the lid. Now you have to wait for 1 minute, 60 seconds, okay? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 58, 59, 60. So now 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open these back up. And now the factory reset should be done. And as soon as you take these out, they should automatically go into pairing mode. You'll know that as in pairing mode, if only one of the buds is blinking green, green, green. You can see this one right here is green, green, green. So now it's factory reset and it's back into pairing mode. So if I want to connect back to my Android phone here, my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, I go to settings, connections, I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And then you can see that little spinny thing up there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that's near me under available devices. And it's still in the pairing mode, it's blinking green. Did find the T12s right there, I'll tap on that. You'll get a pairing request for Android phones. Oh, there you go, tap on pair. And voila, we're connected. And after we did a factory reset, and then we connected back to the same phone.